Hello everybody, welcome to Lupus Fitness 333. My name is Angel, and today we're starting a new chapter on a playlist which I'm going to call the Soul and Spirit Challenge, okay? Now the first thing is, if you really want to do something, you have to do it while you're tired. Why tired? Because that's when you realize if you really want it, okay? Because everybody says we got to make time, but in actuality, no. You should do it when you have nothing to do and when you're exhausted, because that's when you really want to do it, or showing yourself if you really want to do it, okay? The next thing, the way it relates to people with life-altering and life-changing conditions is simply because you're always tired, you're always exhausted, or you're always in pain, okay? You shouldn't have any excuse. The next, if you're worried about somebody's opinion or what they're going to think of you, here's what it is, man. Someone's always going to say something. Whether it's good, bad, or ugly, who cares? They're not paying for your life. They're not taking care of your bills. And you can't control that. So why worry about something you can't control? Lastly, ultimately, you have to do it for yourself. Obviously, you could do it also for your loved ones, but your goals may not be their goals. You understand? So you still have to do it for yourself. They could be a motivating factor, but ultimately it falls on your shoulders. So do it while you're tired.